So, bit of a boring one today. Been really busy, unfortunately, that's why I've not been making any videos, but we're going to look at, first of all, memory cards, then we're going to look at what I've recorded this on, and then we're going to look at someone else's opinion of settings. So here we go. So, like I said, not going to be my best video, far from it, but we're going to cover a couple of subjects. The best thing is item number 2, which I'm filming this on right now, and I think you'll be very impressed. So, on most GoPro forums I seem to see which is the best card to use. Now I understand we don't all have loads of money, we don't all have access to X, Y or Z depending on where you live and what you're trying to use, but my own personal opinion is you should always try and buy the biggest memory card you can buy, because then you don't have to buy multiples. Now there'll be people that say if you buy multiples you're safe at recording, but I've been using these Toshiba ones, and it's a Toshiba Xeria, can't even pronounce it, Xceria. I'll leave a link below where you can get it from, best price. Now they are a Class U3, so they should write at 100 megabytes per second, so that's ideal for filming on GoPro. I only use these cards, 2 reasons: they're affordable, which is always good, and I've never ever had one problem with them. But one tip or trick should I say, when buying memory cards, always buy from a reputable dealer. There's so many fake ones out there. It's disgusting and it's terrible, but it's true. There's lots and lots of fake out there, so you never really know what you're buying. So you need to make sure you buy from a proven provider. If you are in doubt and you can return it, write on that card. Write, stop, record, put it in different cameras, do whatever you can do. Push it to its hardest limits, and that's what I do with these. I have 3 of them, all 128 gigabytes. And I use them on my GoPro, on my bigger cameras, on my other GoPros, so that all files are written in different names, in different formats and stuff, and bang, 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 every single time it performs fantastic. So that is a massive, massive, massive recommendation from me. So, as I said, a bit of a boring video today, but I hope you've enjoyed. The next part will be, let's have a look at this, and it's the Neewer Stand, and it's from Amazon. How cool is this, by the way? This is the new stand I got from Amazon, and if you're like a vlogger, how awesome is this? Very well made, metal, has an adjustment here, obviously goes up and down, voila. Perfect. And you can also fit lights to them as well, so maybe you don't want to use it as a mount, you can use it as a light stand. How much? £6. £6. Fantastic. So it's always hard to choose what settings to use on your camera, so I've been looking at a couple of people's websites, and this is what settings he likes to use. So we're trying some different settings on the GoPro to see how different it looks. We've been watching a video here. See, I just plugged other channels. The absolute best settings for GoPro Hero 6 Black by Reha. Let's have a look how it looks. No gimbal today, just the old GoPro. Using the settings that he recommends. So how much different does these look than what I shoot in? Because I always shoot just in standard, bog standard GoPro settings. It's not very sunny, which is a bit of a shame. There's a bit of sun over there. So I'm interested to see what it looks like using these new settings. Obviously, we all have different settings we use. What settings do you use? Leave a comment below, let me know what you use. We need to know what people are using and setting wise. There's a minefield out there. Well, like I say, mishmash of stuff today. Sorry about that. Two things we do need to take away from this though. These memory cards, I'll leave a link below. These are the ones to get. 128, get you about 3 hours, 4K, works every time, no fault, no fault. And that stand, the stand I'm using this on, £6, $6, €6, absolutely fantastic, that's crazy. Anyway, thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon.